Daniele.
And I'm Patrick.
Together we are JP Adventures 19. Patrick's done sanding, so the next step will be welding on the mounts for the brush bars. And because I couldn't do anything, I made quick lunch, because this one is hungry all the time, 24/7. Can you believe it?
Yella needs food every 2 hours.
It was such nice weather, but what would a day be without rain? So it started raining and we had to run and get the box in there before it gets wet and starts rusting again. Story of our life. We got a delivery, so Matteo went to Prime, our favorite store, and got us some more bolts. So these are M12s and we're gonna bolt the brush bars into the mounts, and then we will actually weld on the mounts so we know for sure that they fit and everything's in place. So yeah, that was really good because we needed those in order to be able to get everything done today. Yep. So thank you, Prime and Matteo.
So we're now screwing the mounts onto the bars.
Patrick is grinding back there. We're still doing fine adjustments, which is really annoying and takes forever, but something we have to do. So since the roof is not completely flat, we had to adjust the height of some of the mounts, especially the corners. And now we're working on this one, which was the worst, but after that we should be done. Finally. Welding time. Let's check on Patrick. So all the mounts are welded on, and now we'll take the brush bars off again because they won't get painted in the same color. And then we can do the last bits and pieces on the roof, and maybe if we still got some time left, we'll start priming the box.
Maybe.
Hello. are back on the roof of the box, and because it started raining yesterday, it gave us some extra work. We had to rust cover the whole roof again. And now Patrick's wiping over it with some chirps to get rid of the black stuff again. And we wire brushed the weld again, and now I'll put silver zinc on top before it starts raining again. Yeah. That rusted again. Alright, it is a bit windy, which is not great for spray painting, but it's not raining and it's supposed to be really bad tonight and tomorrow, so we have to get it painted before it starts rusting again, because we can't see rust anymore. And so this is the last time you can actually see the box like this. Look at it. One last time. All the steel, you can see all the welds and the seams that we filled with putty and then sanded down. Also you can see the brush bar mounts that are gonna get painted in the same color like the box, but not the brush bars itself. Yeah, this is it. And if you're wondering what these are not windows. So we are planning on having an overhang like this. And so these are two little access hatches into the overhang from the inside, so we can actually store like toilet paper and other stuff in there. But we haven't built it yet. Shake it! Let's go! So the plan is to put 2 coats of primer and then a bunch of coats of the actual paint. And so we're trying today to get at least 1 coat of paint because of the rain. So we'll see if that works out. Hopefully those are not rain clouds. And now the front. Look at this. So much better when it's painted compared to this side that is not painted. Very good, Patrick. Look at this. The last bit and the first coat is done.
And the first paint primer is empty.
And the tin's empty. It looks so much better. Look at this. But this is not our actual color, it's just a primer. Now we'll put a second coat of primer and then get ready for some color. And the second coat is on. So now we will actually spray the paint. It's not gonna stay in that color. And this is the color we picked. Da 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 da! Woohoo! And now we will have to mix the paint with the hardener and the solvent to get the right consistency and that it dries and everything, because it's a 2-pack paint. But actually it looks kind of like the primer. So this is the primer and this is the paint, the actual color. Done for today. Are you happy, Patrick?
Pretty happy. Can't complain.
Now cleaning everything before it gets completely dark. And then we deserved a nice dinner.
Yep. Orange tofu.
Are you making dinner today?
Yep.
Woo! New day. The box is dry. And it was supposed to be like a satin finish, but it's more glossy. So we'll see if it's gonna change over time. And since the weather is really bad today, we can show you a video from earlier. We'll work on the roof of the box.
Gonna waterproof it finally.
With some silicone.
Alright, sexy girl. Show us what you got. Don't fall, please. Climbing up on our newly painted box. So, socks only, right, Yele?
Oh, it's not comfortable. Be careful here.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Patrick. No, you. Let's go. Is it comfortable? Yay, we made it. Oh, it got a bit wet, of course. But
Good thing
it's waterproof. No more rust. Can't believe it. And it looks like it's gonna rain again. So we are pushing the silicone into the gap. It's just a little gap in between the welds. And this is just to waterproof the box, but also we will have trims that go around the corner, 50 by 50, and they will be glued on, so there shouldn't be any water coming through. What do you think? Does Patrick need new socks? Look at this.
No. I think you're fine.
Those seams, they don't have to be beautiful because we will cover them. They only have to seal it properly.
We're gonna do a waterproofing test next.
Uh-oh.
Put it out in the rain.
And the rain is back. We've missed it already.